when you're managing the farm through the year, how do rumen buffers help? Like, can you give me an example of a situation that you've heard?
Yep. So the situation I was talking about before with the spring grass is probably quite a good one. Because it is quite volatile, the energy is highly available in the plant and the fibre levels are really low. As a cow ruminates, as the microbes release the nutrient from the feed, there's lactic acid that's produced in that process as well, which decreases rumen pH or makes it more acidic.
Yeah.
So the saliva actually buffers that acidity and keeps it in balance. But if you don't have a lot of fibre in the diet and the rumen passage rate or the flow rate in the rumen is really fast because it's full of water, she doesn't spend as much time ruminating because the stimulus that causes her to ruminate is actually the fibre at the base of her throat, which actually tickles at what's called a cardia. So it tickles that cardia and it causes her to bring the food up into her mouth, regurgitate and then chew it. And as she chews, she produces saliva, which then goes back down into the rumen. So if you've got very low dry matter, she's not ruminating as much per kilo of feed that she's eating, that's when a rumen buffer can be really, really helpful, or increasing the amount of fibre in the diet. So putting straw in the paddock or having hay available, free choice. The hard thing with fibre is some cows eat lots of it and they love it and they probably eat too much, and then other cows don't eat enough, so you do get a little bit of disparity. Whereas a buffer, you only feed a very small amount and you can feed it through the shed, and it's generally cheaper than putting straw into the diet.